Welcome to our presentation. I'm Shunsuke Ito, CEO of BioInsight. Honey is the grace of nature, can be excellent source for knowing biodiversity because it's made of nectars from various plants collected by honeybees. We succeeded in visualizing such biodiversity by use of DNA analysis on honey. It also contributes to food safety. Our services providing materials of biological origin for food safety and visualizing biodiversity. Our company is located KB Kawasaki, one of the big business incubation centers in Japan. There are many research centers of renowned universities and companies. These tests enable us to identify each plant species from the samples mixed with multiple plants. So if you need to know what stuffs your food are made of, you can use this. For example, searching for food allergies from plants and finding food fraud. Spices tend to be a target for food fraud. According to Food Fraud Report 2019, it turned out that 27% of spices are involved in this problem. Using this test, Japan governmental agency investigating the source of nectar in various areas Japan. Our DNA metabarcoding for plants is optimized to analyze honey and dried food. In Japan, we received a request for DMMP tests mainly for honey samples. As you know, a honey contains various pollens. We can detect 30 to 150 plants that are involved in honeybees' life. For researchers, they can learn the names and the numbers of plant species involved in honeybee ecological system. For beekeepers, knowing the plant species for their honeys, they can promote their honey product by showing specific plant names so that they can differentiate their product in the market. Further, we can also detect non-nectar plants, for example, rare species from their pollens in the honey. Here is our procedure. This test has three distinctive features. First, we use the best method of DNA extraction optimized for the characteristic of samples, such as honey or dried food. It is difficult to analyze honey because honey's DNA is fragmented and honey contains some inhibiting substance against PCR. However, we succeeded in managing such problems. Second, our original database is always reliable through the quality filtering. Third, the report is customized for type of client. We could detect many plants at once. For honey, 30 to over 100 species. This report contains pre-sequence report, raw sequence data, and bioinformatics such as database detail, relative abundance per sample of genus to species level. For non-researchers, we make reports that is easy to know features of sample. How to order it. You only send sample to us. You can easily get to know. Our mission is to visualize biodiversity. We already established two analyses to determine fishes and amphibians from the water. We have also established the analysis to determine plants from their product of insect, honey, as I just explained this presentation. Next, we are now challenging to develop new test methods that can analyze mammals and reptilia from their DNA existing in the bioaerosol in the air. DMFP is used for research and developing. If you are interested in our service and technology, and would you like to know more detail, please feel free to contact me at my email address here. Please also be informed that we are looking for investors and partnership for our company and new technology. Thank you again for visiting today.